It's finally here. Oh my god, there's so much. Oh my god, I see it. Oh my god. They tape all their shit to it. Look at that. Oh, it's not as satisfying as I thought it would be. Apple really downgraded with these seals. Alright, the moment of truth. It's in black color, but it kind of looks blue now I think of it. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that is so fucking beautiful. Oh my god. Why did I try to turn it on? I'm stupid. Oh my god, that is... Oh, it's got dirt on it. Alright, send it back. I don't have a USB-C charging block. Apple stickers. I forgot that they sold... Oh, I need this, actually, for the SIM card. Yeah, the Apple stickers are in here. I don't think I'll actually ever use them. Maybe I might put them on my MacBook, because I need some stickers for it. Alright, so that's everything in the box. Here's the phone. Let's go ahead and take the seal off. 3, 2, 1. Why does it feel smaller than my iPhone 11? Let's see if it's got any battery. Oh, it does. Okay. There it is. Swipe up. Wait, how much battery does it have? Okay, I can't check. English. United States. Let me do this real quick. BRB. Here's the front camera quality of this iPhone. Pretty nice quality, I would say. Yeah, it's pretty good. Cinematic mode. It's not really useful because there's nobody in the shot. Let's just use the iPhone 11. This is cinematic mode on the iPhone 13. Front-facing cinematic mode. As you can see, it looks pretty good. It's kind of blurring everything behind me, which I do like.